Here is how to use Android's App Permission Manager to take control of your privacy and security. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is go to Settings on your Android phone. Once you're here, you can just search for Permission Manager or App Permissions. So based on your phone, the name may be different. So on Samsung, it's called Permission Manager. Once you search for this, just click on it and then click on Permission Manager. And this is the page where we have all the controls. So over here, we can see different things like calendar, call logs, location, etc. And for each of these, we can see which apps have permission to use them and how much permission they have. So let's take an example. If I go to location, which is here, then over here, we have a breakdown. On top are the apps which can use my location all the time. Below that are the apps which can only use it when the app is in use. After that, these are the apps which have to ask every time. And the last section is all the apps which are not allowed to use your location. So this gives you an overview of your privacy. And now let's say you want to make some change. So here, Bixby Voice has access all the time. And let's say I want to reduce the access. I can click on it. And here, there are 4 options. So if I want to change it to ask every time, I can click on it. Just click on this. And now if I go back, it's been removed from this list and they only have access when they ask for it. So it's really important to review all these lists once in a while. Now I'll go back. And the same way, we can check this for something else. Let's say microphone. If I click on it, then like before, I have 4 lists over here. Let's say I want to change the permission for my camera. I can click on it and like before, just change it. And it's done. So this is essentially how it works. You can go through this for all of the other permissions, but there are some which I feel are very important, such as camera, location, microphone, nearby devices, access to your phone, access to your photos. These are few that stand out since a lot of your information is available through this. And it's important to check which apps have access to this. So this is how it works. And if you want to know some privacy settings for your Google account, check out this video. Goodbye.